So next up, guys, got a skid loader trailer here. Local consignor just brought it in. So this would be a specially constructed unit, guys. It's a 16-foot bed. I guess main bed there. It is a 2-foot beaver. You got your ramps. They've owned it for like 8 years. 6 foot 4 inches wide on the deck too, guys. Like 76 inches inside of the fenders. Does come with a couple spare rims. The tires on them are junk. You'll see that in the pictures, but they just kind of secured the ramps back, I guess, with some rubber straps, guys. But nice low profile type of skid loader trailer. They basically hold their Bobcat Skid Loader on it. It's pretty well what they told me. The frame looks to be in good shape. It's got a 2 5/16 inch ball hookup. They did put the new deck on and get it painted when they bought it too, so did do some upgrades that way. But a little older trailer, guys. It does not have brakes. It's probably kind of the biggest negative on it. No brakes on it, guys. But solid built, heavy built, good for hauling around equipment. So good luck, guys. Auction time in Old 20 Auctions. There's the walk around demo on the 1970 specially constructed 16-foot little skid loader trailer. So good luck, guys. Auction time in Old 20 Auctions.